Installing the MK2 fire door coordinator. In this video, we'll show you how to install the standard MK2 fire door coordinator. Make sure you have all the components as shown. Remove the coordinator bracket from the body, retaining the tough lock screw. On the back of the fitting instructions, select the top or bottom template depending on whether door A is on the left or right. Place the template at the top of the door, ensuring its centre line is correctly positioned, then mark all screw centres. Screw the coordinator bracket to the top of the door frame using two round-headed screws. Slide the body assembly onto the back bracket and secure using the tough lock screw. Screw the 3-hole angle onto the first closing door A using two flathead screws and the top and bottom countersunk holes only. Making sure that the silver toggle of the rebate is aligned with the centre of the 3-hole angle, screw the rebates to second closing door B using two round-headed screws. This component works as a fail-safe, so it must be fitted. If it is not installed, the product does not meet fire and safety regulations. Use the point where the silver toggle catches on the rebate as your centre point. Fix one of the impact plates using two small silver screws. Where the arm hits door B, use this as a centre point and fix the second impact plate. Checks and adjustments. Ensure the arm on the body holds open door B. If it doesn't, adjust the tough lock screw accordingly. This also ensures that door A isn't restricted by the body assembly. When opening the doors, ensure the silver toggle strikes the impact plate installed on the rebate of the first closing door A. Ensure that the rebate doesn't interfere with door A when closing. Lastly, ensure the 3-hole angle lifts the body and allows door B to fully close. Please note that this is a guideline only and may need slight adjustment once installation is complete. After completing all checks, make sure the doors shut in the correct sequence. Extended arms and rebate catch may be needed to accommodate larger or wider doors. This product plays an important role in the fire safety of the building, so check all fixings at monthly intervals. Although this product is designed and certified for fire doors, it can also be used on non-fire rated door sets. To become a distributor of the MK2, please get in touch today at mail@selectrighthardware.com.